Greetings all students. Today we will learn about Microsoft PowerPoint. So please type PowerPoint here, or you can find it on start menu and find this application. If you connect internet, your PowerPoint will show this kind of templates that you can browse online. But if you're not online, Microsoft PowerPoint also provide with some templates that you can use it offline. So today we will learn for designing our own presentation from the scratch. So I just click blank presentation, and here we are. This is menu bar, toolbar, and then this is our working like navigation pane, and then this is our working area. So first of all, we need to learn what's the function of this menu bar. In menu home, we can see a lot of toolbars here, but the toolbars are gray because it's those toolbar mainly focus to edit anything related with words or sentences. So first, let's put the title first. Let's type our presentation title, such as after typing the title, we can see the toolbar's color. The color is changing, not gray again, but appear like black or stuff. So for changing the font style, just block this and then change the font style. I want to make it Arial black and then a bit smaller. Just press this, or if you want to a point smaller, like few points smaller, just press this to decrease font size. And then for this one, to make it bigger, so I want to make it smaller like this. Alright, that's the function of of font style. And how about this? Like usual, we can make it bold, italic, or with underline like this. And this one to make it with shadow. See, you can point the difference right between this one is the normal, and if I put shadow, it become like shadowy like with shadow. And if you want to put a strike through, just choose this to cross our word or sentences of it, something like this. How about this one? We are going to make it the space between one word to another become this one is normal. We can make it loose or very loose or more, or we can make it tight or more tight. I want to make it loose like this. And I noticed that I make a mistake. For example, you make a mistake. You want to make this title is all capital. You don't need to delete and then try to type it again like this. No, just block it and then click this and then make uppercase. And for subtitle, I want to make it all lowercase. Just block it and then press lowercase, so it will appear like this. So I don't want all of you still doing like typing by yourself. We can just block it and then change it. And you can change the font style by using this. we can choose font style that we like. Or if you want more color, just click this and try to find anything here. Or custom, we can drag something like around this. Yes. Or like this. Yes. Right. And for this one, to clear our format that we did before, so just block. And if you want to clear the format, just click this and it will appear normally without any change for format. Like we did, we press bold, italic, underline before, and if we delete or clear all formatting, the subtitle will go back to the font style like the usual font without any styling. Alright, and like the others, for PowerPoint usually we put in bullets or numbering like become point. So we can go to the next slide. Yeah, to make a new slide, just click this and then press enter, or you can simply just click new slide. And for this page, I want to make it comparison. Yeah, if we press layout, we can change the layout that we want. For first slide, we have title slide, and for this one, you see this is title slide, title and content, section header to content, title only and stuff. I want to make it to content like this. For this one, I want to make it numbering. Like first of all, I want to put the list of example of bank that exist in Indonesia. So first I want to put some company or local bank using bullet point like this. We know we have BRI and stuff, and you can type more. For international bank, I want to make a list by using numbering like this. Just press. I want to make it 1, 2, 3. So what else? And stuff. So we can see the difference between bulleted, and if you doesn't like it, just block it and change it to another type. Or if you want to change it, become another numbering like ABC, you can do it as well. Then do you know what's the function of this? This one is increase list level. You know, when we type the check located in this in line with L for local bank. If you want to make it more to the right, just press this. This is the way we can increase the list level. But you can notice that the example, these words are become smaller because it's a kind of sub number. If you want to put it back, just press decrease list level. See, you can see the size differences between those. Okay, and stuff. Alright, and second, and the next toolbar is changing the spacing. I want to make it very loose, like the spacing a bit far. Just block it and then press it, and I want to make it like this to give spaces between those. And also here we can see the example of bank located in the left of our title bar. So title area here, and I want to make it the title in the middle of the page. Usually I notice some students still doing that, pressing space for many times like this. No, I wish after watching this video you won't do that again. Just block this and then press this center alignment to center our content, or you can simply just press Ctrl and E like this. So only one click to make it in the middle. Or if you want to do another change to make it on the right, just press align right. Right. Good. I think we already learned how to what's the function of this, and this one for make a to add or remove a column. Okay, and we can go to the next menu, insert. This menu can help you to give usually on our presentation we want to put figures or stuff. We can do it by using this menu. We can insert new slide like we did before. We can insert table, pictures, smart art, or stuff. Today I want to make it chart. Make a chart. Just press it, and then what kind of chart that you want. I want to make it like usual, yes, like column here, and then OK, and it will appear like this. So we can type the data in this chart in a bit like Excel here. Like category, I want to make it as year. I want to put year first. I think it's the and we can, after giving the category and the label here, we can put the number, something like this for example the number of the user, a bank user in Indonesia. You can also type the title here, user, or something like that. If you don't like the appearance, you want to put more things like this or this. To put number, you can just press data type, data label, something like this or stuff. Alright, and what is the function of this? We can change the style. I want to make it like a bit like line. with transparent gradient color like this. And if you want to change the data, or if you want to filter the data, you want to put only 3 recent years, and you want to delete this, just uncheck 2015 and then apply. Yes, it will start with 2016. If you want to turning back and just show local bank and international bank, just press this. Alright, easy. The next thing that we are going to learn today is put an audio. Yeah, on presentation you can put audio or video that support your presentation. You can put from data. Alright, for this example I just want to put audio, I guess, or you can record it. Just choose audio that you want. And it will appear. Yeah, something like that. The next part we are going to learn the design. See, in the beginning we press blank presentation. If you think that you want to put templates, to put a design or background for your work, just go to design and then press this and then choose that something that you like, perhaps something like this. And you can see the background is changing, or if you don't like it, just change to another. Right, that's the function of this. I think I will go with this. And for transition, you see, if you want to have presentation, you can play it from the beginning. Just press slideshow and then next. It will only appear like this. It will be more dramatic or more fun if we put transition between one slide to another. So I want to make it I want to make it like push. The next slide is pushing the current slide, something like this. Yes, if I go next, something like this. Cool. Well, you can do choose some transition for your presentation, not only one style to another, to the all slide. You can choose, like for this one is swipe, or this, or make it randomly and see what's going to happen. Okay, changing like this. Wow, it's cool. Yeah, I wish it can help your presentation become more fun and interesting to watch. And also you can put sound to your slide. Like for first slide you want to give applause, and then for second slide you want to put like breeze stuff. And after this slide, when we are going to the next slide, we can do it automatically by using this. Just press the first slide and then uncheck on mouse click and check after, just press 2 seconds. So it means that after 2 seconds, second slide will appear automatically. So let's do it. Yes, something like that. And it will stop like this until you click your mouse or press next. If you want to make it automatically, just do that. Alright. So let's go to the animation. We can put it in particular object, something like for this chart, I want to make it appear like this. and I will on just make it on mouse click, and then the animation is appear. And for this I want to make it like scroll and turn. Yes, but it takes time to put it one by one, so we can start it after reviews. Okay, so and for this one I want to put it like wheel, yes, with reviews at the same time. So let's see. Yes, you can see when this is appearing, International Bank, and the example is appear. Why? In the same time, because we block this and then check choose with previous. So when PowerPoint is showing this example, it will appear in the same time. So International Bank and BTN in the same time. That's the function of the start here on animation menu. How about slideshow? We have a lot of slides here. When teacher asking you to show a specific or particular slide, you don't need to press it since the beginning. Like this one is start from beginning. Also this one, for if somebody asks to show a specific page, just click it and then press this, click from current slide, something like this, and it will appear on your third page directly, right? And you can also rehaze when you're doing your presentation, record it and stuff. All right, so let's go to the next menu, review. When you did typing error, you can see the red line under your words. So perhaps we can see what is Microsoft's suggestion of this. Yeah, etc with dot. If you want to type etc, it should be with dot, something like this. Yes. How about this one? Because this is an Indonesian word or a name, and PowerPoint usually gives suggestion for English, only for English words. So I think it doesn't matter because this is a name. This is the correct one, so we can leave it. And also you can check if you are not really confident with a word, you can see what Microsoft Word suggestion of our word, etc. for advanced, and so on and so forth and that. Yeah, you can see PowerPoint give you suggestion of a synonym of this word. If you don't want to say etc, you can say and the rest and so on or stuff. Yes. The next thing is put a comment to the presentation. If you are going to check a word or PPT from other people and then you want to put your comment, just go to the part that you want to give a comment and then click new comment and then put. Yes. Alright, this is thesaurus and comments pane. If you don't want it, just close it, close. And we can go to the next menu, view. This is a normal view. If you want to make it like outline without showing the layout, you can just press this. So only data appear in the left side and this is your work. if you want to make you can change view to like this, so we can see the whole slice of your presentation, or this. Yeah, the function of this, you see in this area, if we drag it, we can put notes. Something. What's happened if we put see, if we press this notes page, we have slide, and then notes that we typed before will appear on this area. So if you want to do presentation, you have your PPT, and because if you're not really remember what you are going to say, you can put notes and then print it, and it will be your cue card, so it will help on your presentation. Right. This one is reading view, slide master. Okay, we will learn about slide master. I think for view, nothing hard. So let's go to this one, slide master. In the beginning, we choose this kind of style. Perhaps some of you don't like the style that provided from PPT. So we have blank here, and we are going to build our own style using view and then slide master. It will appear like this. We are going to design our own background. So go to the slide, to title slide, and then put figures. Like I want to put figures from my drive. I want to make my own, perhaps this or this. I want to make it, probably this one is better. Okay, to make a background, we need to adjust the size, and then don't forget to put it send to back. And then format, I want to make it more artistic, something like, yes. And then for title, I want to make it like the font style is white with bold with Arial black. For this one also, but white. Yes. If you don't like it and want to make it a bit lower, just drag, just drag it, yes, yeah. Good. You can also put your footer on this one, you can put your page number or stuff. Yes, this is date and this is title, like because it's green, we need to choose something contrast like white and a bit bigger. Yes. So we have our title page, and I want to make my this layout, title and content layout will have a background something like this. Yeah, something like more natural without many colors, so it won't distract the PPT. Just I want to resize it. I don't want to make it full, just half like this. Yes, and send to back, and we have this, and I want to make it a bit to the right. Yes, good. And the next for sub chapter, I want to make it If you want to make it like the same, I think it doesn't work. Just press and then choose the figure. I wanna make it a bit different. Yes. See, and you can do for the rest. This is our master slide. So just close it first and see, we have this kind of templates automatically. How about this one? Because we didn't set page and background for the comparison, just only section header. If you want to put a new slide with section header, see, we'll have directly something like this. Yeah, probably this one is not really good. We need to do it more smoothly and find picture that has a high resolution so it will appear well on your work. That's slide master. How about handout master here? Yeah, this one is for printing your document. You can print your document, and so when you're doing your presentation, it will help you to see what slides will come next, and then you can put your notes here. That's the point of handout master. Right, I think we are learning the main figures of a menu for Microsoft PowerPoint. If you want to save your document, just go to File and then Save or Save As. You can save as PPT, Bank Industries, as this. This is default PowerPoint presentation. You can save it into PDF or stuff. But if you want to make your presentation is automatically showing the slideshow, we can use this PowerPoint show. What's happened if we save? I think it doesn't working. Why? Well, I think we need to save as PPT first. What? Cancel. Something wrong. Yes, perhaps the drive is has some problem, and I will show you how to save it become a PPS PowerPoint show. Banking PPS PowerPoint show. Yes, finish. Close it, and then let's find the data. So go to your folder to find it. I put it here. See, this one is PPS and this one is the default presentation. So if we open this Microsoft PowerPoint presentation or the default one, it will appear like this. Yes, with working area, you can edit this work. Alright, but how about this one? If we double click banking PPS, it will appear like, yes, you need to use PowerPoint. Directly the slideshow will appear. Yes, you can see that the differences, and also you can print using this account and option. Okay, I think that's all for today for the introduction of Microsoft PowerPoint.